Sunshine. So today I'm going to be unboxing the August Earfleek subscription box. I did get this a little late, but that's my fault. I forgot to check my mailbox because most of my packages, most of my mail usually comes delivered straight to my front door. So this has been sitting in my mailbox for a bit, so I'm sorry that it's a little behind. But basically, Earfleek is a monthly earring subscription box. Basically each month you get a pair of earrings. There are 3 different subscriptions you can choose from. You can choose from classic, trendy, or mix of both. I chose a mix of both. I really hope that one day I get pizza earrings. I know I could buy them by myself, but it would just be really exciting if I could get pizza earrings. Or most of the earrings that I've gotten, I've been with Earfleek for 3 months now. They've all been classy. They've all been classic. I've gotten 1 pair of wooden dangly ones. I got a pair of like beaded studs, like it was a stud, and inside of the stud had like a bunch of beads. And then I can't remember the other set that I got, but I really hope that I get something fun and kind of out there. This subscription is like $3 and a couple of cents every month. It's really nice if you're on a budget and you want to change up your earrings, or you're just looking for a small way to treat yourself. So it says, "Hey girl, here's a fun pair of earrings style just for you. Hope you love your new bling." I have gone in every single month and I filled out the basically they allow you to like choose, like they'll give you a bunch of earrings. They're like, do you like this one or do you like this one? And they'll go through and they'll like allow you to like pick which one you like better. I've gone through and done that every month, and I always swipe left on these earrings because I just don't like them. And here I am, a ham, sitting right here with them in my hands. That was a poem by me. I screwed up. So basically here are the earrings that I received. Also, I've seen other YouTubers have unboxed this. They always get a hairband, and I got a hairband in my very first bag with Earfleek, but I haven't gotten a hairband since. It's just a cheap little like extra, but I feel left out because I'm not getting no cheap little extra. Okay, I'm trying to unstick my earring from the inside of this bag. So basically here are the earrings. These are basically like the first pair that I received with the wooden circle in the middle. I really don't like that. I also, with this subscription, if I'm gonna be honest and super picky like I normally am, I wish that their earrings came with backings, and they don't, though I think that's another downside. However, it's $3. How much more complaining can I do? Again, it's like $3, so I can like stop my complaining, because it's really cheap. So here are my earrings. These are like, what are they? I didn't even look. Okay, they're rose gold, and they have a stud, and then attached to a stud is this textured thing. I don't know what it's called. And then we have this rose gold hoop, and on the inside is a wooden circle. So this is the textured dangly is what we're going to call it. I don't hate these. I really don't like the wood. I would have been so much happier if they didn't have the wood in the circle. I don't like that look for me. It's not something that I feel confident in sporting. It doesn't make me feel like empowered. It doesn't make me feel like happy or inspired. So I don't love the wood. I would have been happier with these earrings without the wood circle in the middle. I'm gonna keep hoping that maybe they're gonna learn my profile. They're gonna learn what I like every time I go through and like do the swipe left and swipe right like you do on Tinder. These aren't terrible. Again, I can most certainly take off the wooden circle by myself. I just feel like these earrings would be so much prettier without it. Like, look, now that's something that I'm like really loving. Or even if they had glittered the wooden circle, I would have also felt happy. So again, I'm kind of disappointed that we're 3 months in and I'm still receiving something that I continually swipe left on every time. It's not making me feel like I'm being listened to, but it's $3 a month. How much complaining can I do? Apparently a whole lot, because all I've done this video is complain. So $3 a month, you get a pair of earrings, you don't get backings. That can be a downside, but you can literally get like 1,000 plastic backings off of AliExpress for $1. So that's not really that big of a big deal. It helps you to grow your earring collection. I'm an earring girl. I love wearing earrings. I don't really wear necklaces. I wear rings, but that's about it. So I like them. I like the dangly earrings. That is something that I definitely am very happy with. I like the length of them. I like that I can move my head and feel sassy. Like, no, you did not just yell at me. Like, I really, like they're fun to play with. The biggest downside for me, again, is the wood that I keep getting and I really don't like, and I swipe left on it. So I don't feel like I'm being listened to, but other than that, I can take the wood thing off by myself. Other than that, I really love the color. I love how lightweight they're feeling, and I love everything else about the earrings. So again, really my only complaint is I don't feel like I'm being listened to because I keep getting these wood types of earrings. So what did you guys think of my August Earfleek subscription? I would love to hear from you guys in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.